Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic, vitamin deficiencies and the signs you might not be getting enough of these essential nutrients. Vitamins are organic compounds our bodies need in small amounts for a whole bunch of functions. They help shore up our bones, heal wounds, bolster our immune system, and even convert food into energy. Pretty important stuff, right? So, how do you know if you're not getting enough of these essential nutrients? Well, stay tuned because in this video we'll be exploring the subtle and not so subtle signs of common vitamin deficiencies. Knowing what to look for is the first step in making sure you feel your absolute best. Let's get started. Vitamin A often gets associated with good vision, and it's true. This vitamin is crucial for preventing night blindness, but its importance goes way beyond that. Vitamin A is a powerhouse when it comes to your immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. It also plays a key role in cell growth and development, making sure things are running smoothly on a cellular level. So how do you know if you're not getting enough vitamin A? Well, persistently dry eyes, even after using eye drops, can be a sign. Another thing to look out for is difficulty seeing in low-light conditions, that whole night blindness thing. And since vitamin A is such a big player in immunity, if you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, a mild deficiency could be a contributing factor. Let's talk about vitamin B12, a nutrient that's super important for our bodies in a bunch of different ways. One of its main roles is keeping our nerve cells healthy, which is crucial for everything from thinking to movement. B12 is also a key player in the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our bodies. Without enough oxygen being delivered efficiently, we can feel tired and run down. One of the telltale signs that you might not be getting enough B12 is fatigue, that feeling of being constantly drained, even after a good night's sleep. Another thing to watch out for is brain fog, difficulty concentrating, or memory problems. B12 is essential for cognitive function, so when levels are low, our brains don't work as well as they should. And keep this in mind. People who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet are at a higher risk of B12 deficiency, since this vitamin is primarily found in animal products. Vitamin C is like that friend who's always there to lend a helping hand, especially when it comes to your immune system and skin health. You see, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. One of the most well-known signs of a vitamin C deficiency is slow wound healing. Since this vitamin plays a key role in collagen production, which is essential for skin repair, not getting enough can delay the healing process. Another thing to look out for is easy bruising. If you find yourself bruising from even minor bumps, it could be a sign that your blood vessels are fragile, a common symptom of low vitamin C levels. And if you seem to catch every cold and flu that's going around, it might be time to look at your vitamin C intake. This vitamin is crucial for a healthy immune response, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Chapter 4. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies can produce it after being exposed to sunlight. But even though we can make it ourselves, vitamin D deficiency is surprisingly common. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, essential for bone health. Feeling tired and achy? A vitamin D deficiency could be one cause. Another sign is getting sick more frequently. Vitamin D plays a role in immune function, making you more susceptible to infections. And if you've been feeling down, it might be worth checking your vitamin D levels. Chapter 5. Vitamin E, the cell protector. Vitamin E is crucial for keeping our bodies functioning at their best. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. A deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and cramping. It also helps protect our vision, preventing blurry vision and difficulty seeing in low light. Dry skin and wrinkles can be signs of low vitamin E levels. Chapter 6. Vitamin K. The clotting crucial vitamin K doesn't always get the spotlight, but it's a total rock star when it comes to keeping our bodies running smoothly. This vitamin is absolutely essential for blood clotting, which helps stop bleeding when we get injured. But vitamin K does more than just help stop bleeding. It's also crucial for strong bones. It helps our bodies use calcium effectively, which is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures. One of the most noticeable signs of a vitamin K deficiency is easy bruising. If you find yourself bruising from even the slightest bump, it could be a sign that your blood isn't clotting as quickly as it should. Another red flag is heavy menstrual bleeding. While many factors can contribute to heavy periods, a vitamin K deficiency could be one of them, as it can affect the blood's ability to clot properly. And keep in mind, newborns are often given a vitamin K shot at birth to help prevent a rare but serious bleeding disorder called vitamin K deficiency bleeding, or VKDB. Chapter 7. Iron, the energy booster. Iron is like the delivery service of our bodies, making sure oxygen gets to all our cells and tissues. It's a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. Without enough iron, our bodies can't produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to a condition called iron deficiency anemia. One of the most common signs of iron deficiency is fatigue. This can manifest as feeling tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, and having low energy levels. Another sign that you might not be getting enough iron is pale skin. Hemoglobin gives our blood its red color, so when iron levels are low, our blood is less red, which can make our skin appear paler than usual. And if you experience shortness of breath, especially during physical activity, it could be another sign of iron deficiency. Chapter 8. Calcium, beyond strong bones. When we think of calcium, we often think of strong bones and teeth, and for good reason. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our bodies, and a large portion of it is stored in our bones and teeth, giving them strength and structure. But calcium does so much more than just build strong bones. It also plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve function, and even blood clotting. One of the signs that you might not be getting enough calcium is brittle nails. Calcium is essential for nail health, and a deficiency can lead to weak, brittle nails that break or split easily. Another thing to watch out for is muscle cramps, especially during or after exercise. Calcium is involved in muscle contractions, so when levels are low, your muscles may not function properly, leading to cramping. And if you've been feeling more anxious or irritable lately, it could be linked to low calcium levels. Chapter 9. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium is like a chill pill for our bodies, helping us relax and unwind. It's involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. One of the telltale signs of a magnesium deficiency is muscle twitches or spasms. These involuntary muscle contractions can occur anywhere in the body, but are especially common in the eyelids, calves, and feet. Another thing to look out for is difficulty sleeping or insomnia. Magnesium plays a role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles, and a deficiency can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. And if you've been feeling more anxious or stressed than usual, it might be worth checking your magnesium levels. This mineral plays a role in mood regulation, and a deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of anxiety and depression. Chapter 10. Zinc, the immune system's secret weapon. Zinc is a trace mineral that often gets overlooked, but it plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. One of the signs that you might not be getting enough zinc is hair loss. Zinc is essential for hair growth, and a deficiency can lead to hair loss on the scalp and other parts of the body. Another thing to watch out for is a decreased sense of taste or smell. Zinc is involved in taste and smell perception, and a deficiency can dull these senses. And if you notice that cuts and scrapes seem to be taking longer to heal than usual, it could be another sign that you're not getting enough zinc. Outro. Listen to your body. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical conditions. If you're concerned about your health or think you might have a vitamin deficiency, it's always best to consult with your doctor. They can run tests to determine if you have any deficiencies and recommend the best course of treatment for you. Take care of yourselves.